So, na-mention mo nga, no, that syempre, the Philippine passport is not as strong as other passports, diba? So, what advice can you give to our viewers na paano nila ma-maximize yung kanilang Philippine passport?
Really, you need to be very strategic when you apply for visa. Okay, at the beginning, travel of course, financial capacity is very important, and then travel history is very important. As Philippine passport holder, we can only visit 65 visa-free and visa on arrival countries. So, ang suggestion ko, ang gawin muna nila, if you really aspire na makakuha ka na ng US visa, Schengen visa, I only got my US visa after traveling to 30 countries.
Pero nag-apply ka na before that?
Never. I don't have visa rejection. Pero talaga, takot ako. Even now, I'm applying for visa. Kailangan talaga over documents rather than parang confident ka na. So kapag I really suggest that if you are planning to do this, you visit visa-free countries. You start with the Padana Pancake Trail, like Southeast Asia. Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam. Tapos after nun, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore. Then after nun, meron ka ng siguro, tapusin mo na yung ASEAN. Then you get the Japan visa, China visa, South Korea visa. Then after that, then you go to the Pacific side. Apply for Australia visa. Pag nakakuha ka Australia, usually they give you 3 months to 1 year to 2 years na automatic. But they depend na may travel history ka. Why is travel history very important? Kala nila parang basta-basta lang na kailangan. Kasi they need to show proof. Talagang tourism lang yung purpose mo because us Filipinos, we're more known as workers rather than tourists. So you have to establish the difference of your intention sa mga mostly common na known about us.